Hey guys, this side Kartik Rana and you are watching Jagdarshan from the top of the hills of mountains of Sirmaur district, and we are at Himachal right now, right here, presenting the nomadic culture of this area, and with me the shepherd in local language known to be as Maldar. So before explaining the general life of this nomadic culture, I will provide you some information about this majestic view from the top of the Sirmaur mountains. But beyond this breathtaking scenery lies a world of ancient survival. Up here, high altitude life is sustained by a deep tribal connection between man, mountain and beast. For centuries, the traditional rulers of Sirmaur have guarded the tribal secrets of the Himalayas. They don't rely on modern maps, they read the behavior of the sheep and goats to predict incoming blizzards hours before they strike. Their ancient wisdom dictates exactly which wild alpine herbs can cure a sick animal, passing down a living pharmacy through generations. Look at this shepherd who is taking their goats to the fine grazing fields of this place, and this is a typical unvarnished life of the locals. It is a relentless nomadic cycle. The sheep and goats are not just livestock, they are absolute currency of the survival. The local people spend their days navigating treacherous and cliffs, tracking grazing grounds and shielding their flocks from the predators like leopard, lion and some kind of bears is there present in the mountain valleys. To protect this heritage, the Himachal government actively steps in, providing essential subsidies for Harley breeds and vital medical care along these isolated migratory routes. Just take a view of these sheep who are grazing in the field, ensuring this ancient lifestyle does not fade into history. Rearing here is just not a job, it is a spiritual pact with the Shivaliks. It's about knowing how to survive where the air gets thin and winter bites hard. Now we are going to taking the interview of the local shepherd known to be as the Maldar, who have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 ships they have, and what they think about this. And let's introduce the shepherd, the Maldar of these ships. Yes sir, please, what do you think about this beautiful ships and beautiful mountain valleys of your area? आप बता सकते हैं कि आपकी जो ये यहाँ पे जीवन यापन है पहाड़ों का कैसा होता है, और किस तरह से लोग जो है वो यहाँ पे जो शिप की रेयरिंग है, जो शिप पालन है, और लोकल लैंग्वेज में जो कहते हैं मालदार, तो थोड़ा सा इस विषय में बताइए क्या क्या स्ट्रगल रहता है और क्या क्या चीज़ें यहाँ पे आपको मिलती जो बाहर देशों में नहीं मिल पाती हैं। खुल के बोलिए।
अच्छा, और ये सबको करना चाहिए, और रोज़गार का भी एक साधन है जो हर नौजवानों को करना चाहिए। यही कह सकते हैं, आगे बढ़े और समाज को बढ़ाएं, उर्वरक अपना तैयार करें।
साथ ही हम आपको बता दें मालदार जी उर्फ जो शिशु कंवर जी हैं, जी आपका शुभ नाम क्या है असली में? वीरेंद्र कंवर जी, श्रीमान वीरेंद्र कंवर जी। तो ये एक्चुअल में टीचर हैं जो कि अपनी सेवाएं दे रहे हैं, कार्यरत हैं अभी हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में। तो साथ ही ये साथ में पालन पोषण कर रहे हैं इन शिप्स का। इसी के साथ दिस वाज कार्तिक राणा कैप्चरिंग द हिडन हार्ट बीट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश। See you in next blog or next documentary. Until next time, keep exploring and keep sharing this. Thank you very much.